Hello and welcome again to Christine's Creativity Cabinet. In this video, I got a special kit that I'm going to open and try to use. It's this Japanese kit, and this is something I saw Nerdy Crafter do on her channel. And I looked at that and I thought, that looks really fun. It allows you to make these really adorable little snow globes with Sanrio characters in them. Now, this is a Japanese kit. I had to get it. Of course, Nerdy Crafter was lucky enough and rich enough to be able to just go to Japan and buy it, but I'm neither one of those things. So I ended up ordering this from Amazon Japan, which you actually can order things from that if you're in a different country. You can actually set up the site so it shows you how much it is in US dollars, and you can pay in US dollars. The one thing is that the shipping is real expensive. So this was maybe about a $25 kit, and I had to pay about $25 more to have it shipped. But that still was within my price range, so I decided to do it. So I think this is going to be really fun. Of course, everything is in Japanese here, except for a few things. Like this says Sanrio characters up there. I can read that. So I'm going to pose for the thumbnail there. And all the instructions, but see, I remember from the Nerdy Crafter video how this was all supposed to work. So I'm gonna give this a try, and I'm gonna put some of these together. It looks like, according to this, it looks like there's 5. I don't know if there actually are 5 in them, but I'm hoping that it will be. I'm probably gonna do just a couple for this video, and then I'll do the rest as shorts. So first I'm going to go ahead on camera here and open the box, and we'll see what's inside. Ooh. Fortunately, it's not wrapped in plastic like so many things are, though there's tape on there. I'm going to have to get a sharp pointy thing to cut the tape. And there's more tape over here. There we go. There we go. Let's open here. Let's see what we got. Whoops. I think it's got to go this way. Okay. Here's this. That looks like it has the instructions in it and some cute little stickers. So that'll be fun to work with. And then I think it goes this way. Pull it out. Yeah. Okay. It's got this plastic thing, but not everything is actually in the plastic thing. So I'm going to have to kind of see, there's some loose things in the box. Well, there's one more base. Okay. So, and then there's this. So, let's see. Let me show you the different parts here. Now, this is the main thing that you use to make the snow globe. This device here. And I'm going to show you in a minute how I think it's all going to go together. And then there are these little bases, and they look like little teacups, which are cute. We got, yeah, I think we do have 5 of them, because I see some more over here. Yeah, that's covered up there. Okay. Ooh. Oh, no. This is what the snow globe goes into, I think. Okay. And then they have little bases like this. And they have the little Sanrio characters. They're tiny, teeny, teeny little characters there. Look at that. That little. And unfortunately, I'm not somebody who knows the names of all these characters, so I hope you will forgive me for that. I know a few of them. There's another cute little character there. Okay, and then this is, some cute little stars, little star confetti that you can put in your snow globe. And then we've got 5 of these. These are the actual globes that go over the top. I'll unwrap one of these so you can see it. So we got this. We got 5 of those. And we got some more little bases. We got some more of the little teacups. And the other little characters here. let's see, we got, oh, 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 this little guy. Okay. Maybe editing me would be nice enough to, after I do a little research, I'll post the names of these. Okay, this is Hello Kitty. I know Hello Kitty. There she is right there. And I think I know this one too, that I'm getting out here. This is Cinema Roll. Look at that there. Okay, that's a cute little. And then what have we got here? I think this, oh, I think I remember this. These are little tablets that contain glitter, which I think is a really cool way to do it. Instead of having loose glitter, you put one or two of these tablets into your snow globe, and they will eventually, the tablet part will dissolve and make it so that you have the glitter in it. But that makes it a lot easier to do and kind of neater than having to deal with loose glitter. I'm going to just cut that a little bit so I can get that. There we go. Yeah, see, these are the little tablets. They're shaped like little hearts, but they will dissolve into the water. Oh, and then there's this, which I believe is what you fill with water and to use to go in there. Now, here is what I remember from the Nerdy Crafter video of how this works. What you do is you take this thing, you take one of the round bases, and you stick it in there. I think it maybe goes like that. I'm trying to figure that out. Oh, it looks like there's one that's already in there. And then you take the Sanrio character and you put it on top of the little base. That's what you do on this side. Okay, yeah, that's another base there. You put that in there, and then you put this, the little Sanrio character. See, it has a little thing that sticks up there, and you put the Sanrio character on that. And then on the other side, you take one of the. So I'm wondering how that works, because I know that you put. Oh no, you put that in there like that. Okay, so this goes. You know, I was a little confused there. The base goes on here. It goes on this side, and then the little. This is the little globe. It goes upside down on there. And then you put in some of the little confetti, the little star confetti, and then you put one or two of the little glitter tablets in there. And then you take this, which you will fill with water, and you fill that all up. And I know that it says that you're supposed to fill it all the way up, even though when you end up putting it together, it's going to overflow, but that's considered normal. You want to have it really full so that you don't have an air bubble at the top. And then once that's done, you're going to take this and you're going to put it together like that to make it all go together. And then after that is done, then you take one of these and you stick it in there. So let's see. I think I'm going to do one here right in front of you, but I'm going to have to get some things ready first. So I'll be back in just a minute. A few minutes later. Okay, I'm going to do the first one just right here in front of you all. I'll probably do the second one where I turn the camera around and you can see it a little bit more close up. But I'll do the first one, this one. And I think the first one I want to do is the Hello Kitty. So let's see, which base should I use? I think I'm going to use this pink base. So I'm going to stick that right on there. So that's on there like that. And then I'm going to take a little Hello Kitty and I'm going to put it on there like this. Put it on that little thing that sticks up the hole. Like that. Really hold there. There we go. Got Hello Kitty on the base there. Now we're going to take one of these little globes and we're going to put it in there. So you can see that. Then we're going to take, let's see, we're going to take some of the little stars. Not very many of these, so I'm just going to have to use a little bit. I'm going to cut this open here. I'm just going to take a few of these little stars and put them in here. Okay, that's enough, because I'm going to have more for some of the others. So now I've got these little stars in there. Okay, then I'm going to take a couple of these little glitter tablets. I'm going to use 2, so there'll be plenty of glitter in there. I'll pull that apart. There they go. Okay, I'm going to take... Ooh, they're coming apart in my hands. That's kind of... Let's see if I can pry them out with my scissors. Because they're supposed to stay together. Okay, boom. Got that in there. That one came apart in little pieces. I'm going to take another one here. There. And put that in there. Okay, so I'll let you see that. I've got my glitter in there. Like that. Now, I'm going to take... Okay, I've taken this little bottle here and I've filled it up with water. Let's open it. I'm going to pour water into the little globe area here. Ooh. I'm going to fill it all the way up to the top. There. That's filled all the way up to the top. And now what I do is I just go like this. Ooh. Like that. I'm going to press it down real good. And I can feel some water leaking out, but that's supposed to be normal. Then I'm going to turn it over like this. And there we go. Okay. And now I got to just take this out here. Oh, that's adorable. Look at that. Look at my little... And I can shake it like that, and it'll the glitter will go around. Oh, isn't that cute? And then I'm going to take it, I think I want to take the darker pink cup, and we're going to put her in there. There we go. And now, let's see, that's a little uneven. Let's get that in there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Except I want it so that the face is like right in front. There we go. Isn't that adorable? We'll again go like this to make the... Oh, that is so cute. What fun. Okay, I'm going to do another one here for you guys where I'm going to turn the camera over and you can see it a little bit more close up. Okay, here's my little cinnamon roll snow globe. I'll get the glitter down in there. There. How cute is that? Some of the stars are kind of caught. There, that looks better. So Some of them are kind of caught in the front there. Ooh. I just want to make that. Here. Oh, that's cute. Okay, there was one thing that I forgot, and that's the stickers. Here, I'll show you the stickers. They're really cute here. I think I'm going to go ahead and put a sticker on each one of mine. Let's see. Well, Hello Kitty, I think I'll take the little Hello Kitty sticker there. That's really cute. Let's see if we can get that off. Carefully. There we go. And we're going to put it, we'll go ahead and put it on the back of this. There we go. Ooh. Got a little wrinkly there, but it still looks cute. And there we go. Hello Kitty sticker on the back, and then we're going to do one. There's a cinnamon roll. This one is really cute right there. I'm going to take that to put on the back of the cinnamon roll one. There. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so what do I think of this kit overall? I like it. I think it's really fun. Perhaps the only slight little thing about it, but I don't think this is really a big deal, is that there really isn't very much room for creativity with this. About the only thing is, what colors of different things that you choose, whether or not you put the little stars in or not, etc., etc. I suppose you could do a little bit, and what stickers you use, of course. I suppose you could do a little bit more customization if you happen to have some of your own, like glitter or a little confetti. That would have to be real small because these are really, really small. But I still think this is a really fun process. And I like this this device that they give. It's actually very easy to use. I didn't have any trouble. And when you consider that I watched that Nerdy Crafter video last Friday, and still today I can remember how it all went, and I didn't have to worry about trying to decipher any of the Japanese instructions. I think this is a very well-designed kit. So I want to encourage people to watch for shorts because I'm going to do the 3 other ones as shorts. So keep making art, everybody.